I don't believe this. Typical Mark II Leon door fault has happened to me. I will go out on a Saturday night, late at night, I'll pick up a few ladies, you know, give them a run home, but I can't because I'll lock the car and it won't open from the outside. So they'll be standing there, they'll be trying to get in, I'll be confused because they can't get in. I'll just drive off, to be honest, I can't bother waiting. Nah, I need to get it sorted, ASAP.
Come on, Kev, get a grip. You're 4 years old, balding, you're married, you have a 2-year-old daughter, and you're thinking of going out cruising in your car on a Saturday night picking up chicks. Yeah, that ain't happening. Just get the door fixed and stop dreaming.
How's it going? Welcome back to another video from North Coast Workshop. Today's video, or tonight's video, I'm recording this like 8:30 at night, was going to be me fixing my passenger door because it's had a dreaded common Mark II Leon fault where when you unlock the car, the door won't open from the outside. You'll go inside the car, open it from inside, and after that it's sorted, but as soon as you lock the car and open it again, it won't open from outside. So the plan was to show you a way of fixing it, and typically, this is typical with this kind of thing, is now when I lock the car, it's working again. But guaranteed tomorrow when I drive somewhere and try and open the passenger door, it won't open. What we're going to do is we're going to treat it as if it is still broken, because this hopefully will prevent it from breaking again in the future. And I'll show you the process at the same time. There's a couple of videos online. I'm just going to do one for my own channel and show you the process of how to use WD-40 and a wee drill bit and basically fix this issue. It saves having to buy a new part altogether, which are about maybe £30 second hand or about £50–60 brand new. Like I said, typical when I'm wanting to film it not working, it is working, and guaranteed then when I'm not carrying the camera on me and I'm not recording, that it will then play up and not work for me. So let's get started on this. As always, if you're new to the channel and you want to catch more videos like this regarding a Mark II Leon or any other kind of DIY maintenance things, then hit the subscribe button down below. And if you enjoy the video, find it useful, maybe it's helped you out, if you've got the same issue, then hit the thumbs up button as well. So we'll get started. Oh, I forgot to say as well that I'm going to quickly feature a few of my Instagram followers' cars in the next segment, and I'll leave their Instagram tags down below. Thank you to them for letting me use their cars in the video. If you like what you see yourself, go and check them out on Instagram as well. Now we'll get back to fixing this working door lock. Yeah. Right, so things you'll need before you get started is you'll need your WD-40. If you can see, I've just got a drill bit that I'm going to make the hole with, and it is just slightly larger than the straw on the WD-40. Just large enough to get the straw into the hole on the module. The drill obviously to use with it, and my trim removal kit. I did do a video which I'll leave in the description below on like essential garage items under 30 quid, and this and the WD-40 were two of the things mentioned. Right, so I'll give you a better look at this door lock module. That's it in there. And we're looking to drill a small hole at the top of that unit and then spray WD-40 into it. And then that should stop it from failing again. And if it was broken, which it isn't, but if it was, then it probably maybe take a few hours for it to start to work its magic. So don't expect it to work straight away. Sometimes it takes maybe 2, 3, 4 hours. I think last time I did my back door with this same issue, it took about 12 hours to actually start to work again. One quick tip when drilling this hole, just make sure you don't push it too far. You've just got to break the casing, the first layer of the casing basically, so don't push too hard a drill bit. You just want to take enough of the casing away to get the hole to go into the module. You might go through the module, through the gap, and then into something that's more important. Just be careful when you're drilling this hole. So as you can see, just putting in bits of WD-40 every so often, and it should run inside it. One more for luck. Now you don't have to plug this hole at all. It should remain clean. It shouldn't have any reason to get dirt in amongst it. Give it a quick dry around any trim that you might have covered in WD-40, and then we'll pop the trim back on, and that should be it done. Just for future reference, what I should have done is actually take off this piece of trim here, because as you can see from this insert, there's a wee tab that sits along here at the bottom, and it sits in behind this piece of trim. So yeah, that's my bad. Take this piece off first, and then this piece will come off easier. So I hope you found that useful. Didn't go to plan purely because, well, actually wanting something to be broken for once, I wanted that door not to work so I could show you before and after. Obviously it's going to work because it's still working. Like I said, try this if your door is not working. Before you buy that second-hand module or brand new module, try this first. WD-40 trick, small hole, don't push too far with the hole, then fill it with WD-40, and then it might work straight away, it might work maybe 2-3 hours later. In both cases, because I've done 2 doors before like this, my driver's door and my back passenger door, it was the next day before it started working. You can maybe open and close the door and keep using the handle to see if you can get it to work faster, but don't jump the gun and go and order a new module if you've tried it and it's not worked straight away, because it could just take a while for it to work. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed what you've seen and you found it useful, maybe it's helped you fix your door locking module, then hit the thumbs up button and also hit subscribe down below if you want to catch more videos like this. I'll hold the camera straight, sorry. And I will catch you on the next video. Cheers.